Hi, I'm here in my office/studio today filming some videos for YouTube, and I thought I'd show you around, show you a bit of my gear and how I do things, so don't go away. Okay, so walking into the door of my office/studio here, you can see that my lighting's set up there, my desk in the background there. Up the back here I have some foam baffles that help stop reverberations and echoes in here. I still need to put some on the roof because, as you can see, it's a very low ceiling and the room itself is only about 3.5 meters by 3.5 meters, so it's kind of small, but it does the trick for me. And over here we have my desk with my speakers there and my monitor and all the computer stuff there. There's my computer down there on the floor. Had that specifically built for me. And then over in the corner here I have another light up on top of there. I'm currently using it on the top of the camera though. It's a Telefo PT176S and I just put that up onto that stand and it throws a bit of extra light onto the desk and stuff, and as well on the side of my head for a little bit of depth and mood. So I'll put a link to everything that I'm using here in the video description below, so if you want to check them out for yourself you can. So here on the tripod you can see I've got my Galaxy S9 phone there. That's what I film pretty much all of my YouTube videos with, because obviously I'm using my Nikon D5200 DSLR in some of the videos, so I have to use my phone, but it does the job. And then today I have it connected to my Rode VideoMic Pro Plus for the first time ever, because this little red lead, I didn't have that until yesterday to be able to use it with my phone. And behind the phone here you can see I've got a mirror in the back there. I want to use the rear camera because it's better quality footage, so I can see what I'm doing there. If I've got the mirror there I can see if my head's in shot properly and stuff like that. For lighting I'm using, as you can see, a couple of umbrellas lit by two 135 watt 5500K globes, daylight globes, so they kind of do the trick. I do have two other globes that are the same power, but I only use the two of them at the moment. And over in the corner there I have my fan because it gets really hot in here, and obviously I can't have the ceiling fan running because it makes a lot of noise. I don't actually run that fan during filming because it also makes noise. I just turn it on between takes to cool down. And of course you have to have a bit of greenery, so I have a plant in the corner there which looks a bit dry. It might need a bit of water, I think. A few of my favorite characters up here. Homer, Yoda. And then over here we have Radioactive Man and Mr. Incredible. My daughter gave me that one. And my smooth mobile gimbal that I use for steady shots with my phone. And for a bit of daily inspiration over here I have my vision wall. There's a few things up there that I'm trying to manifest. A trip to Mount Everest. I don't want to climb it, I just want to go to base camp. Nikon D500, a D810. That's just some random forest photo that I thought was nice when I was trying to manifest more time out in nature to take photos. And here we have the 5 things that I do every day as part of my SFM journey. So number 1 is daily visualization and meditation on your goals, very important. 2 is income producing activity, doing the things consistently that will start making money for your business. Number 3, invest in yourself, read a book or learn something that will make you a better leader. When you go to bed, be worth more than you were when you wake up. Mastermind with other leaders. This is something I do through webinars. I do a few webinars every week learning from the masters. And then number 5 is what you learned today do today and teach it to someone else. Important message, that one. I encourage you to do that yourself. And over here I just have some favorite photos. That's a photo I took in Fiji years ago. This is one of my favorite wave shots. Don't know where that was taken, but it's beautiful. Up there is Shelley Beach, which was one of my favorite Victorian beaches. There's a photo of me, my wife and my sister at a concert that we went to once. So just to bring a bit of personal touch to my studio area, you know. So there you go, that is my YouTube video setup, and as you know, if you're a subscriber of mine, I film a lot of my videos from this very room. Before you leave today, you would be crazy not to sign up for my mailing list. There's a link visible in the video description down there somewhere. If you click on that, you can pop in your name and email address and you will instantly become one of my photographers freed. When you sign up there, you will receive weekly updates, blog posts, video tutorials, special deals and so much more. In the very first email you will receive some never before seen footage about motion blur, so that is well worth signing up for. There's also a link down there to the Photographers Freed Facebook group, and you can sign up over there too. That is a private group, so please answer the questions and agree to the rules if you want to be a member of that group. There are links down below those links for all of the products that I've shown you in my studio today, just in case you wanted to grab some for yourself. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do hit subscribe, ding the notification bell, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment before you go. I'm Barry Callister of Photographers Freedom. Until next time, get out there, take some wicked shots, and I'll see you soon.